Welcome to our channel Just to Know. Today our topic is on calcium. Today we are going to see source of calcium, recommended daily allowance for calcium, absorption, calcium inhibitors and biological functions of calcium. Calcium. The total body content of calcium is 1 to 1.5 kg. In that, about 99% is seen in the bone and teeth and 1% in the extracellular fluid. Source and RDA. Source. A best source of calcium are milk and milk products. Good source are egg, fish, vegetables like cabbage, beans and leafy vegetables. Poor source for calcium is cereals. RDA, recommended daily allowance. In infants, they require 300 to 500 mg per day. For children, 0.8 to 1.2 grams per day. For adults, 800 mg per day. During pregnancy, lactation and post-menopause, they require 1.5 grams per day. Absorption. Absorption of calcium mostly occur in the duodenum. It is an energy-dependent active transport process. Factors promoting calcium absorption are vitamin D. In its active form, it increases the calcium binding protein in the intestinal epithelial cells and promotes calcium absorption. Acidity is more favor for calcium absorption. Lactose promote calcium absorption. Amino acids like lysine and arginine facilitate calcium absorption. Factors inhibiting calcium absorption are phthalates and oxalates, which form insoluble salts and interfere with calcium absorption. High content of dietary phosphates result in the formation of insoluble calcium phosphate and prevent calcium absorption. Free fatty acids react with the calcium to form insoluble calcium soaps. Alkaline pH is unfavorable for calcium absorption. And high content of dietary fibers interfere with the calcium absorption. Biochemical functions of calcium. The extracellular functions of calcium are bone mineralization, blood coagulation, membrane excitability and plasma membrane potential. The intracellular functions of calcium are muscle contraction, releasing of hormones and neurotransmitters, activation of enzymes, glycogen metabolism and cell division. So friends, subscribe our channel for more updates and share your interested topic in the comment section which you want us to post. Now let us see in detail about the biological functions. The first one, activation of enzyme. Calmodulin mediated action. Calmodulin is a calcium binding regulatory protein. Calcium calmodulin complex activates certain enzymes like calcium dependent protein kinase such as glycogen synthase and pyruvate kinase. Calcium also play a direct role in activation of certain enzymes like pancreatic lipase or enzymes of coagulation pathway. Next function, muscle contraction. Calcium mediates excitation and contraction of muscle fibers. Muscles, upon getting the signals, the calcium is released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. This calcium activates the ATPase, which increases the action of actin and myosin and facilitate the excitation-contraction coupling. The triggering of the muscle contraction is the interaction of the calcium with the troponin C. The active transport system utilizing the calcium binding protein is called as calcistrain. Third function is nerve conduction. Calcium is necessary for the transmission of nerve impulse from the presynaptic to postsynaptic region. The fourth function is Secretion of hormone. Calcium mediates secretion of certain hormones like insulin, parathyroid hormone, calcitonin, vasopressin, etc. from the cell. Next function. Secondary messenger. Certain hormones exert their function through the mediation of calcium. Example, glucagon. Next function, vascular permeability. Calcium decreases the passage of serum through the capillaries. Thus, calcium is clinically used to reduce the allergic exudates. Next function, in coagulation. Calcium is known as the factor 4 in blood coagulation cascade. The thrombin contain gamma carboxyglutamate residue which are chelated by the calcium ions during the thrombin formation. Next function, in myocardium. Calcium prolongs systole. In hypercalcemia, cardiac arrest is seen in systole. This fact should be kept in mind when calcium is administered intravenously, as it should be given very slow. Calcium role in membrane permeability and integrity. Calcium influences the membrane structure and transport of water and several ions across it. Calpains are calcium-dependent cysteine protease that modulates cellular function. Next function, its role in bone and teeth. The bulky quantity of calcium is used for bone and teeth formation. Bones act as a reservoir for calcium in the body. Osteoblasts induce bone deposition and osteoclasts produce demineralization of bone. Next function, in secretory process. Calcium regulates microfilaments and microtubules mediated process. Then, in contact inhibition, calcium is involved in the cell-to-cell contact and adhesion of the cell in the tissue. Cell-to-cell communication may also require calcium, such as during endocytosis, exocytosis, and during cell motility. Soon, we will share the videos on calcium homeostasis and on applied aspects of calcium.